Howdy folks, welcome back to Small Farm Guys. Today we are standing next to the Kubota SVL 75-2. We're going to go ahead and take and change the oil on the final drives here. So you can see we've got it lined up. This is the drain plug at the bottom. We've got your fill plug, and then we've got your full level plug. You want to level this bar out as much as possible, and so that way it'll drain out and you get the right amount put back in. Alright, so these plugs here are 8mm Allen wrench sets. So first, go ahead, I've got an oil pan down here. I'm just going to hold this up just in case. I ran it a little bit to warm this up so it'll let all the sediment settle to the bottom. Take out the fill plug, because that way when you open the bottom one, it'll just flow right out. Find somewhere clean to set your plugs so you don't lose them. Now go ahead and take out your bottom one. They shouldn't be in there super duper tight, but they should be snug. And you're going to have some oil start dripping, so try not to drop the plug, otherwise you gotta search through. So once we get to the end here, I'm going to you can see it start to ooze out. Nice and black and milky. Make sure to look for any chunks or anything like that. And again, set this plug off to the side. Alright, now that we're just down to a really little drip, we've been letting it sit for probably about 15 minutes now. There ain't a whole lot left in here, so... Okay, so we taped the threads because there was thread tape on it before, so we just retaped them, and now you just go ahead and tighten her down until she's snug. You don't want to over tighten it though, so just tighten her down, and she gets snug about right there, so just snug her up. Okay, so this is the fill hole. This is where you want it up to. So I got the oil pan here because you fill it up until just a little bit will run out. Got a generic squeeze bottle here. We'll show you what we're putting in at the end. It's just an 80-90 weight. It's Schaefer's 80-90 weight, 293. So just go ahead and squeeze it in. And we might have to add more to this bottle if we didn't fill it full. Just squeeze her in until she comes out the fill hole. There we go. About a bottle and a half. Shit's green. Decent. So go ahead, tighten your plugs back in. When you're done, wipe up the front. Go until it's snug. Wipe it up so she's not dripping on everything. Install the last plug here. It's all nicely taped, and that's how you change the oil in your final drives. And then go ahead and do the second side. And we'll show you what kind of oil we're putting in there, so if you guys are interested or wondering. And we'll put what Kubota recommends up. So snug them down, and there you go.